In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp with consulting clients. We'll start right inside ClickUp. First, make sure you're in your list view. This is the view where you can see tasks in a simple, structured layout, which works really well for managing client work. If you're not already there, switch to list view from the top of your screen so you're starting in the right place. On the left-hand side, you'll see your team spaces. Find the space where you want your consulting client set up to live. Then click on the small plus icon next to that team space. This is how you add something new under that area, and it helps you keep client work separated from everything else you're doing in ClickUp. A menu will appear, and from there, you want to click on templates. Templates are a huge time saver because they give you a ready-made structure that you can then adapt instead of building everything from scratch. In the template search bar, type in the word clients. This will filter down the available templates to those designed for client management. From the results that appear, look for the template called Legal Client Management. Even though it's labeled for legal, the structure works really well for all kinds of consulting because it's built around managing ongoing client work and information. Click on that Legal Client Management template and then click on Use Template. You're now going to customize it for your consulting business. When the prompt appears asking for a folder name, type in Consulting Clients Management. This is the folder that will hold all of your individual client projects in one organized place. Once you've named it, click on Use Template again to confirm. Give ClickUp a few seconds to load everything in. Depending on your connection, it might take around 10 seconds for all the lists and views to be created. When it's done, you'll see that each client project now has several sections or views that you can customize. You'll have a calendar view, which is perfect for tracking deadlines, sessions, or deliverable dates. There's a payments area where you can manage invoices, due dates, and payment status. You'll also see a docs section, ideal for storing proposals, agreements, meeting notes, and internal documentation. There's a board view as well, which you can use as a Kanban-style workflow for each client. Within each client project, you can click on the channel icon to communicate directly there, keeping messages tied to that specific client. And if you look back to the left-hand column with your team spaces, you'll notice that each client now has their own project folder, giving you a clear, organized overview of all your consulting clients in one place.